Hey all! This week we'll talk about something India keeps going crazy about. This is also officially the most ordered food online in 2020 in India. Yes, we are talking about the mighty biryani. We all know that biryani is filling, fairly inexpensive and can also be wholesome when done right. Our recipe this week is more on the greener side with spinach and aloo and will ensure your daily dose of manganese, magnesium, vitamin C, folate, among many other micronutrients. While this one doesn't have meat, it will ensure your protein and fat portions are well catered for. We also made sure this version is fairly lighter on carbs and calories as well when compared to your conventional biryani. Enjoy the recipe. First, let's wash basmati rice 2 to 3 times and soak in a bowl for a couple of hours. While the rice is soaking, prepare palak and aloo gravy. For the gravy, let's take a pan and add oil and set to a medium flame. When the oil is heated, add cumin, mustard, chana, urad dal, cashews and fry until they start to splutter. Now add chillies and diced onions. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the ingredients lose the raw odor. Add tomatoes and saute them for a couple minutes. Here I am using cherry tomatoes picked up from a garden. You can obviously use any tomatoes cut in quarters. Add salt and spinach to this mixture and cook until spinach oozes out the water. Let the mixture cool down completely and blend into a fine paste. Bring this paste back to the saute pan and add potatoes to it. Cook until the potatoes turn soft and add water as needed. Add spices one by one and cook for a few minutes for the flavors to blend in. Set the gravy aside and prepare the rice. Add some oil to a pressure cooker and add curry leaves and spices. Add coconut milk and dissolve salt in it. Add rice and adequate water to the spices and boil until the rice is 80% cooked. While the rice is getting cooked, prepare brown or fried onions. To a pan, add some oil and heat it on the medium flame. When the oil is heated enough, add thinly sliced onions and stir them occasionally. Fry until golden brown or crispy and move them to a paper towel to absorb the oil. Here is a tip: do not overcrowd the onions. Instead, do it in 2 to 3 batches depending on the size of the pan. Your fried onions are ready. It's time to assemble the biryani and bake it. For the assembly, in a deep baking tray, spread the Aaloo Palak gravy at the bottom of the pan. Add a layer of rice and onions on top of it. Add some mint leaves to give the biryani a refreshing flavor. Repeat this process until you exhaust all the contents prepared for biryani. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 40 to 50 minutes. Happy cooking!